Hello and welcome to Discover Languages. In this video, we will learn about the Turkish language. So, Turkish is an agglutinating language. Turkish is most widely spoken Turkic language. Most speakers of Turkish are in Turkey. Characteristics of the Turkish language are vowel harmony and extensive agglutination. The basic word order of Turkish is subject, object, verb. No noun classes or grammatical genders are found in Turkish. So, where is Turkish spoken? Turkish is an official language in Turkey, Northern Cyprus, Cyprus. Turkish is a recognized minority language in Bosnia and Herzegovina, Greece, Kosovo, North Macedonia, Romania. Smaller groups of speakers of the Turkish language exist in Germany, Austria, France, and other parts of Europe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello.